Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone application, then go to the contacts, then you have to select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on its avatar icon here to add photo. Then you have an option to take photo or to select photo from gallery. Let's select photo. Then you select your photo, then you adjust it, and then tap OK. And after that, image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.